And for those entering hospitals in Rhode Island, expect stricter protocols to get inside.
And this morning, Care New England announcing a no visitor policy at its hospital just days after Lifespan announced the same.
Both policies have a few exceptions. Alexandra Leslie joins us now live from Providence. Alex, Care New England explained why they announced this morning.
Right. Care New England's president and CEO tells me that they announced this today so they would have enough time to get a consistent message across to its staff. They also needed that time to prepare the proper signage and screening points in its hospitals. It's something that Lifespan put into place on Monday. Dan Byrne was dropping off his wife for a routine doctor's appointment at Rhode Island Hospital today, but couldn't go inside.
They just said, well, no visitors. So they asked me to wait downstairs. I'm just biding my time right now.
The Lifespan Hospital is one that suspended patient visitation with some special exceptions earlier this week. This morning, hospital group Care New England with a similar announcement.
We felt that a no visitation policy is the easiest way to make sure we limit the potential spread of coronavirus.
Specifically, visitors won't be allowed to see inpatients, but one support person will be allowed in the obstetric unit. NICU patients will be allowed 2 support persons, and only 1 adult is allowed in the emergency room, but for limited time in patient areas. I also asked Care New England President and CEO Dr. James Fanale if this will have an effect on routine appointments.
If you have cold symptoms or have a fever, you probably shouldn't come in for your visit. Okay, that's what we're doing. But as far as routine things, we need to keep taking care of people.
Fanale also told me soon you'll see a drive-through tent near Kent County Hospital. People will be able to be screened for COVID-19 from their cars.
They'll do the culture and they'll drive home and they'll get the results of the culture called to them.
But there will still be a limit on how many tests can be done. Now, I also spoke with a few people who went in for routine appointments today. Hear from them, new at 6. Live in Providence, Alexandra Leslie, Eyewitness News.
At 5, we heard from Care New England's president and CEO explaining more about its no visitor policy that went into effect this morning. Lifespan announced similar restrictions earlier this week. Both have some exemptions, like for parents and children or expectant mothers. Alexandra Leslie continues our in-depth coverage live. And Alex, you spoke with some people who both accompanied patients and had appointments today.
Well, Shannon, at both Care New England and Lifespan hospitals, you'll see signage and staff advising you of the visitor policies in place. I spoke with a few people leaving the hospital today who told me while the policies are strict, they don't mind them. As you can Lifespan, along with Care New England, both announced sweeping restrictions for patient visitors. With a few exceptions, no visitors are allowed. Dan Byrne found himself in that situation today.
I drove my wife up here and showed me to go upstairs, and they just said, well, no visitors.
Dan tells me while he had to wait around instead of being with his wife, the policies don't bother him.
Nothing that you're going to have a squawk about, to be honest with you. Ounce of prevention, pound of cure.
Dorothy said she also thinks it's a good idea.
Well, I think we're all scared. Nervous. Not scared really, but nervous. Are we lucky or are we not? So far, I'm lucky. You're lucky you're on your feet and you're working.
Now, I also learned that at least Care New England will be implementing a drive-through COVID-19 screening. Its president and CEO tells me that a tent will soon be in place near Kent County Hospital. Live in Providence, Alexandra Leslie, Eyewitness News.